At first glance, the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt and Philips Wi-Fi Keypad look almost identical, but the differences matter. One leans toward simple, affordable automation, while the other offers a more premium, feature-rich experience. As we use them over time, the trade-offs become much clearer. Today we compare performance, features, design, ease of use, build quality, cleaning, and overall value for money, so you can decide which smart lock fits your needs and budget. Check the links below for current pricing and details. When it comes to design and build, the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt takes a clear lead with its sleek, minimalist finish that feels like a standard part of your door hardware, sitting flush with the surface for a cleaner look. In contrast, the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad sits slightly proud with a more utilitarian housing and a physical button interface that adds a distinct accessory vibe. This difference matters because the Bolt suits those who want tech that stays out of sight, while the keypad appeals to users who want tactile, in-your-face confirmation that a button was pressed. When looking at features and capabilities, the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt stands out with its advanced auto-locking mechanism and deeper smart home integration, which is ideal for tech-savvy users who want automated routines. In contrast, the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad focuses on straightforward access with a physical keypad and reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, suiting those who prioritize immediate, manual control. The trade-off is that the Bolt's automation can be complex, while the Philips offers simpler, more direct entry. Beginners usually benefit more from the Philips, whereas users seeking customizable security features will prefer the Bolt. When it comes to performance, the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt offers automatic locking that activates after you leave, providing a hands-off approach for forgetful users, whereas the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad requires manual operation, but provides straightforward tactile feedback without waiting for automation. The Wyze excels at reducing daily decisions, which benefits busy professionals or those wanting minimal interaction, while the Philips appeals to those who prefer direct control and physical buttons. However, the Philips tends to avoid potential Wi-Fi connectivity delays, so users with unstable internet may favor its consistent response, while those with solid networks will prefer the Bolt's integrated automation for a more streamlined routine. When we look at pricing and value, the keypad is positioned at a lower price point than the Auto-Lock Bolt. This makes the keypad feel more accessible for budget-focused renters or anyone wanting to minimize initial spending. The Bolt asks for premium pricing because it adds automatic features that simplify daily routines. If you prioritize keeping more cash free now, the lower-priced option clearly helps, but if you want the technology that automates locking and unlocking, the premium tier targets that need. If you want a sleek, integrated lock design with advanced features, go with the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt. It appeals to DIYers who like tech depth. If you prefer straightforward installation and a traditional keypad interface, the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad suits renters and beginners better. The Bolt leads in design and features, offering more customization for enthusiasts. The keypad wins on ease of use and price, favored by those prioritizing simple access. Choose the Bolt for a premium setup or the keypad for a budget-friendly, beginner-focused install based on your comfort level. Choosing between the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt and the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad comes down to your priorities. The Bolt leads in design and features, offering a more integrated lock body and advanced automation for tech-focused users. The keypad wins on ease of use and price, presenting a simpler, more familiar setup at a lower entry point. For beginners or those on a budget, the keypad is the logical selection. If you want the best overall experience and are ready for more advanced functions, the Bolt is the stronger choice, while the keypad remains the best value option for specific needs. In short, both the Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt and Philips Wi-Fi Keypad get the job done, but they target different needs. The Wyze Auto-Lock Bolt is ideal if you want straightforward, reliable access at a budget-friendly price, while the Philips Wi-Fi Keypad suits those who want more display options, integrations, and a slightly more premium feel. Your best choice depends on your budget, how much control you want, and whether you value simplicity or extra features. Neither is a designed winner, so focus on which trade-offs feel right for your home setup. You'll find links to both products in the description below. If this comparison helped you narrow things down, consider subscribing for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Check the links below for current pricing and details.